With the recent requirement of CPR feedback devices announced by both the American Heart Association and the American Red Cross, you may be asking how to most effectively meet these requirements. Both organizations state the product should have audible and/or visual feedback on compression depth and rate. The Prestan Professional Manikins with CPR feedback meet all the requirements stated by both organizations. Prestan CPR feedback ensures high-quality CPR by giving instructors and students real-time feedback. An audible click is heard when the proper compression depth is reached. 2 green lights illuminate when the compression rate is in the range of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. If the student goes too fast, over 120, a yellow light flashes, warning them to slow down. Prestan CPR feedback manikins are easy to understand, eliminating any confusion for the student and giving them more confidence in their CPR skills. Instructors love that the CPR feedback is integrated into the manikin, eliminating the need for extra add-on equipment or cords. The Prestan Professional Adult, Child, and Infant manikins all provide CPR feedback needed to meet the new requirements. For more information, contact your Prestan authorized distributor.